So Piper Computer Kit is a hands-on STEAM learning experience which allows children to learn computer science, electronics, and coding while building and using a fully functioning computer. This technology allows students to practice and experience physically constructing an item, as well as learning computer wiring using a breadboard. The Piper Computer Kit includes a set of blueprints with step-by-step instructions on how to build a working computer. Piper engages kids in a building experience with laser-cut wooden parts, a Raspberry Pi microcomputer, and a collection of electronic wires and equipment. Once the computer is built, kids progress to a series of engaging challenges using Minecraft Raspberry Pi Edition, teaching them valuable problem-solving skills. They make their way through a secret mission as they attach each wire and connect each electronic component. PiperCode is based on Google Blocky's easy drag-and-drop visual programming language, and is an effective way to teach coding in a tangible way. PiperCode comes with 11 progressively challenged projects to help kids gain confidence through accomplishing physical tasks through coding. Once they learn the foundations, kids are ready to experiment with creative computing. Using PiperCode, they can code and create their own projects. It is also preloaded with Python for when your kids are ready for an advanced programming language.